White Rock Road and East Bidwell Street. Some talking pedestrian buttons. Polara iNS.
Wait to cross East Bidwell Street at White Rock Road. Wait. Bidwell Street. Walk sign is on the cross. East Bidwell Street.
Now going up to this side. Oh, another Polara iNS button.
Wait. Cross East Bidwell Street at White Rock Road. Wait.
Going off pretty soon.
Bidwell Street. Walk sign is on the cross. East Bidwell Street. East Bid.
Let's go back across. And there's no crosswalks on this side or that side. It's just East Bidwell Street. But this is a very interesting intersection. I'll find a different intersection now.